There'll never be a nigger SC. There'll never be a nigger SC. You ran from a tree, but don't never talk to me. There'll never be a nigger.
Thank you all for being here today. Even though I wish today's meeting was not necessary, I'm deeply appreciative of everyone here that joined us.
Well, tell them I'm the Olivia Pope of Oklahoma, and we gonna get some stuff done. That's it. And somebody needs to write some checks sometime too. You know, because I noticed they do give Olivia Pope a check. So, well, and let me be clear. When I am campaigning, when I am running for office, when my job is on the line every 2 years for the past 8 years, I had to prove myself to my community. However, my community was not always the funders of my campaign. And so let me be clear. I have agency, I have friends, I have other elected officials, I have organizations, and they are all headed by Caucasian white males. And so it's not an accident that I am at the table. I was strategic in securing funding so that I could represent African American values and issues. And for those elected officials who say they're not in race relations, like, you cannot change perception until you change these policies that are on the books that foster this type of behavior and attitude of superiority, because that's, blacks have to think twice. We have to think both in black and think in white. White people only have to think in white. So we have to be careful of who we call friends, because I can befriend a whole community of Facebook people who are angry, but they won't show up. They're not going to donate. They're not going to vote. And those who do vote, I thank them, and I thank them profusely, because I cannot be at the table representing their voices if they didn't go vote.
Also, thank you to Senator Pittman for inviting me today. You're a blessing to me, my mom, and my dad.
Thank you.
I can't thank you enough for the way you've embraced me and opened my eyes to things I had not seen before.
Nigga,